Chaz Mostert, with just over 1 minute remaining in the super cheap auto Ford Falcon, has done a great job.
Check this, because Pither goes to the top with a 10.03.
How's that?
Well done, Chris Pither.
I said he was on fire out there, and the numbers certainly made that a reality. Coming up to 45 seconds remaining. Do we add another new name to the Armour Pole Award for 2016? Chris Pither. It'll be his first supercar pole, if he can do it. Pither from Mostert, then Whincup. 30 seconds called by the race director Tim Schenken in the background. And in spite of these bizarre conditions, we're still seeing great speed.
This is a career-changing moment for Chris Pither. The first pole position, if he can hang on. Rick Kelly, halfway around his final lap. Whincup's in the pits, he can't go faster. Winterbottom's in the pits, he can't go faster. As you see, Rick Kelly now at the final corner. Can he get it turned in? Where's he at? No, it's not going to be good enough. It's going to be 4 or 5 tenths away. Pither's going to hang on here.
We've clocked 0. So it's about those that complete their laps.
Well done, mate. Awesome job.
So previous best for Chris Pither in this business at the top end of town in supercar racing was at position 7. Right now he's got a provisional Armour All pole. McLaughlin's response in the Volvo. Scotty's down in 14th, 1 position behind.
Well done, buddy. Well done.
1 position behind James Moffat. But Chris Pither, this is all about you. What an amazing career moment. Dylan Talabani, his engineer. He said to me yesterday, we had a big chat in the workshop after Townsville. We made some engineering mistakes, and frankly, I needed to lift as well. We've had a long, hard think about it, and he has responded in the finest possible way.
He certainly has. 29-year-old young New Zealander, fist pumps all round. Tim Edwards straight there. And that is a superb lap, especially as teammates. You see Mostert, there's Dylan Talabani there. His engineer come up to shake hands, but his teammates, Winterbottom and Mostert, are behind him.
And, believe it or not, he's a rookie. He has not driven a supercar in the main game here in Anger. He's been here in the Dunlop Series, done lots of other things in his career, very successful in many other categories, but at the highest level, this is a peak moment for him. He will grab the Armour All Pole Award for race number 16, and great scenes inside the garage there. So big moment for him, and I'm sure for all of his backers at Icebreak, they will be absolutely thrilled